Scotty, what do we got here in the pan?
Well, I always double check, as I said, we double checked it to see if it was metal shavings. I'm not seeing metal shavings. I'm not blaming the owner, but I'm saying in general, it's improper.
What in the fuck?
It's a screw in the oil pan.
That's cute.
But
I don't think it's horrible. It's a little scuzzy, but I've seen a lot worse. Look how
what
clean
color
is
is it
up here.
turning?
Fucking silver. I bet you it's aluminum from like pistons.
I wonder how fresh is the rebuild on this engine.
I don't know.
Okay, well, I'm going to go with that's what it is for the moment. So it's common.
Yeah, it doesn't.
And I know that, so we just got to drain this.
That is interesting.
Yeah, we just got to drain this, scrape it, clean it.
Yeah, have it ready to go.
And have it ready to go.
And the one we have going on it is the one piece, and I'll show you how to do the nice one piece because it makes it so much better.
It's going to go back to being blue.
Hopefully, yeah, it should be blue.
Yeah, but as I keep cleaning it, it's
66 is blue, 65 is black.
Yes, and I think what was it, 68, 69 was.
They're still blue.
I think they went back to blue if I remember correctly.
They stayed blue from 66 on.
Yep.
Yeah, I hate the 4-piece cork nonsense. I mean, someone used a little gasket cinch, which isn't horrible, but they sure as hell didn't do that great of a job. Hold this. There we go. Yeah, that's going to take some wire wheel action, I bet. Fun!
How much gaskets?
Well, yeah, I would use Permatex Black, and I use a little bit, even with
but
the
I
one
just
piece.
did the differential on the Avante.
Yes.
Show me where I had a leak of silicone anywhere.
No, because you went nice and thin. You know what to do.
Nice and thin goes too far in.
Yeah, God.
Yes. We're almost done. I got a couple of little...
We'll wire wheeler when we're done, when we're ready, but you're getting...
I don't know if I want to wire wheel it. This thing is in... I mean, look at this, dude.
Shape.
It's in really, really good shape. I don't want to...
Okay.
That's why I'm using the plastic.
Yeah, the
No,
plastic.
you know me. Normally I use a razor blade and cut through everything and I'm done, but this thing just really is in super, super nice shape.
Excuse me. Heartburn. Coffee heartburn.
But I figured out what they use to hold the gasket on.
Indian head?
Nope.
Which I like. That's the good.
You might want to hold on to something. Okay.
My nuts are okay, right?
That'll work, yes. Okay. Now, you remember that I used to do restore cars professionally, paint, body, collision.
Yes.
Okay.
Do they use seam sealer?
Nope. Emblem glue.
Oh, God.
Look, that's why we're getting the roll up, like
oranges.
snot.
That's lovely. That's how you...
I mean, I know you know what emblem glue looks like when it rolls up, right?
Yep.
What am I getting?
Yeah, that's exactly what it's doing.
Emblem glue. It's the only stuff I know of that rolls up like that.
That would not seal with the shit. Oh, well. Cool. All right, I'll add this to Scotty. You got it?
We are just about done. We're just wiping her down.
Pretty clean.
Yeah, I mean, dude, it's a beautiful pan. It really is.
Nicely done.
So all that's left is kind of spray out the inside, really?
Spray it, wipe it down, get the edges clear here. Like there's still a little silicone here, but it's gonna get silicone on it again when we put it back together. All right, so.
But the edges are clean.
Water pump, timing cover, all that jizz. Next stop, yeah.
Jizz. What? Where? Where?
Stuff.
Oh wait, sorry.
God. You. Anyway, moving away, getting it done. Make sure this isn't leaking oil in my
It's
bag,
not, surprisingly enough.
That's where my fire suit and stuff is in that bag. Which I gotta load that Thursday. Anyway, oil pan. Done, ready to go back on when the time comes.